Her stepmother stole her visa and gave it to her child. 5 years later, the unexpected happened. In the town of Aja lived a kind and hard-working young woman named Savior. She was known for her very long white and gold hair that shimmered beautifully wherever she went. Savior dreamed of studying and working abroad to build a better future for herself and her family. After years of hard work, Savior finally received approval for her travel visa. She was overjoyed and carefully prepared for her journey. But her jealous stepmother secretly stole Savior's visa and gave it to her own daughter, hoping her child would enjoy the opportunity instead. Heartbroken, Savior cried, but she refused to give up. She continued working, learning new skills, and praying for a brighter future. 5 years later, something unexpected happened. A successful international businesswoman visited Aja looking for a talented manager to lead a new company. She met Savior and was impressed by her honesty, intelligence, and determination. Savior was offered the job immediately, along with full sponsorship to travel overseas legally. Meanwhile, the stepmother's daughter had wasted the opportunity she had received. She returned home with nothing to show for it after making many poor decisions. The stepmother realized that stealing someone else's opportunity could never bring lasting success. She apologized to Savior and asked for forgiveness. Savior forgave her, proving that kindness is stronger than revenge. She traveled abroad, built a successful career, and later returned to Aja to help young people achieve their dreams. Moral: your destiny cannot be stolen forever. Honesty, patience, and perseverance will always open the right doors.